Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about my new lead generator software and show you how to generate leads by using it. Let's get started. This is the interface of my software. To generate leads, click on button Leads Generator. First select the country of your choice. Next select any network within this country. You can generate here up to 1 billion leads, but for this video I will generate only 10,000 leads. You can export the leads as txt, as Excel file. You can also randomize number. If you want to buy this software, please contact me on the detail you shown on your screen. You can see 10,000 numbers generated here. Two other main features of this software are number generator and text file splitter. If you want to purchase this amazing software, please reach out to me by using the detail you shown on your screen.